Did you know that your morning coffee isn't just for waking you up, but it can also wake up your hair follicles? Yes, coffee water rinse is a powerful, natural method to boost hair growth, reduce hair fall, and add shine, all without chemicals. In this video, I'll show you how to do a coffee rinse for hair growth step by step, plus the science behind why coffee works wonders for your hair. And trust me, you don't want to miss tip number 4 because it can double the benefits of this rinse. Why coffee water rinse? Many of us struggle with hair thinning, breakage, and slow hair growth. Instead of relying on expensive treatments, why not try a simple DIY remedy that actually works? Coffee is rich in caffeine, which stimulates blood circulation to your scalp, helping to activate hair follicles and promote faster, healthier hair growth. It also reduces hair fall, strengthens hair strands, and gives your locks a glossy finish. In today's video, we'll cover how coffee water benefits hair, step-by-step guide to making and using a coffee rinse, best tips for maximum hair growth results. But before we begin, subscribe to envilush for more amazing hair and skincare remedies. Don't forget to hit the like button if you love natural hair care solutions. Benefits of coffee water. Rinse for hair growth. 1. Stimulates hair follicles for faster growth. Caffeine in coffee stimulates blood flow to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to your hair follicles. This activates dormant hair follicles, promoting thicker, stronger hair growth. Regular use can help increase hair density and reduce hair loss. 2. Reduces hair fall and strengthens roots. If you notice excess hair shedding, coffee water rinse can help. Caffeine blocks DHT, a hormone responsible for hair loss. It strengthens hair roots, reducing breakage and thinning. Coffee water can even help with postpartum hair loss or seasonal shedding. 3. Adds shine and softness to hair dry, lifeless hair. Coffee water works like a natural conditioner. It smooths hair cuticles, giving you a silky, frizz-free finish. It locks in moisture, keeping hair hydrated and soft. Coffee rinse enhances natural hair shine, making dull hair look vibrant. 4. Balances scalp pH and controls dandruff. A healthy scalp means healthy hair. Coffee water balances a scalp pH, preventing excess oil buildup. It has antioxidants that detoxify the scalp and fight dandruff. This means less itchiness, flakes, and irritation. 5. Darkens hair naturally for brunettes and dark hair. If you have brown or dark hair, coffee rinse can enhance your natural color. It deepens brunette tones and adds richness. Regular use reduces premature graying by restoring pigment. Avoid if you have blonde or light-colored hair, as it may darken your shade. Now let's talk about how to make and use coffee water. Rinse for hair growth. Step 1. Gather your ingredients: 2 tablespoons organic coffee, ground, 2 cups water, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, optional for extra hydration, 1 tablespoon rosemary water, optional for scalp health. Step 2. Prepare the coffee rinse. Boil 2 cups of water and add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Let it simmer for 5 minutes to extract the caffeine. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. Strain the coffee water to remove any particles. Add aloe vera gel or rosemary water if using. Step 3. Apply coffee rinse to your hair. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and rinse well. Pour the coffee water rinse evenly over your scalp and hair. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes to boost absorption. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes for best results. Rinse with cold water, no shampoo needed. Step 4. How often to use it? For hair growth and thickness, 2 to 3 times a week. For shine and smoothness, once a week. For scalp health and dandruff control, as needed. Best tips for maximum hair growth. Result 1. Use cold brew coffee for extra benefits. Cold brew coffee has higher caffeine content, which means better hair growth results. 2. Add essential oils for extra nourishment. Mixing a few drops of peppermint or rosemary oil in the rinse can increase blood circulation and reduce hair fall. 3. Always follow with a hydrating conditioner. Coffee is slightly acidic, so always use a light conditioner or leave-in treatment to maintain moisture balance. 4. Combine with a healthy diet. For faster and stronger hair growth, eat foods rich in biotin, iron, and omega-3s like eggs, nuts, and spinach. A coffee water rinse is a simple, effective, and natural way to boost hair growth, reduce hair fall, and get shiny, healthy hair. By using it 2 to 3 times a week, you'll start noticing visible results in just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to envilush for more hair care secrets. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep your hair healthy.